Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Waldron. Today I'm here to talk about some exercises that you could do with physical therapy and doing some yard work. So I hope you enjoy the video and you get some things that are helpful for planting in your beautiful garden and getting things going, just like this lovely cherry blossoms behind me, and you can get your yard in shape. First exercise, kind of warm up your shoulders. So you can do some raising up and over with a shovel or a rake, just kind of working your mobility a little bit like this. Next one you can do is kind of warm up your back with a little bit of some rotations, moving side to side, trying to keep your hips still and twisting through the trunk. Okay, for your next exercise, you can do a little bit of thigh stretching by holding like so. Get your legs ready for bending, squatting, reaching in the yard. All right, last one, you can get your hamstrings stretched out, just bending gently this way. You can use your rake or shovel or something to hold on to. If you have good enough balance, you can just do it yourself. Just bending, try and bend from the hip, like so. Lastly, I'm going to talk about the proper raking and shoveling techniques. When you go to rake and shovel, often you get in a pattern of moving and you keep going one direction, which is causing my body to twist this way. If you switch it up halfway and rake twisting the other direction, then you tend to balance out your back and not wind up as sore. Likewise, when you're shoveling, this is probably the most common injury I see is as people are shoving and they're digging in here, they're pulling and they're twisting for the dirt. If you dig in and get the dirt and you lift and you pivot and then release it, you're less likely to hurt your back. So doing it this way with my left hand lower and then halfway through, switching your hand hold and then balancing out, lifting and then dumping is the best way to dig your holes and not injure your back and not have to wind up coming in for physical therapy. Well, hopefully you use these exercises to warm up, work on your body mechanics when you're using your rake, your shovel, or whatever tool you're using in your yard, and then you make sure you do a thorough stretch at the end to protect your shoulders, your back, your hips, and knees. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your family and friends.